Guys, welcome to Concert Vibes London, and welcome to Canary's Wharf, London City. Let me show you the nicest part of London. Oh, the security guard was looking for these people, you know. Smoking weed down there, you know. That's why it's smelling. Come with the dogs. Just look at this. Check into my previous video. I went through this bridge, you know. That's right underneath that bridge. But there's no water there even. Noisy, innit? Let me check. A bridge without no water. Oh, yeah, there's water. Yeah, my bad. Wow. There's water. Well, it's not a lot. So underneath it, I don't know what's the water, man. It's probably. Underneath here, there's train lines and everything, bro. You can imagine. It's Canary's Wharf. Let me go. I've been here, man. They put some water. Canary's Wharf. Yeah. There's a DLR light way train. Cargo Market Hall. Come here to chill out. It's not area, man. I think here you have the restaurants down here, man. Exit this side and you can exit the other side. on top here you have the restaurant. It's no easy. So the Blenheim market, it went all the way up to somewhere down here, you know, it stops somewhere down here. What noise you hear in these planes flying, man. You can see one of them right above my head. So all these big buildings, the ground floor, always restaurants, you know. Look at this view, man. Look at this for everyday chilling place. Even the air around here, man, is fresh air. Trust me, brother, it's fresh air. Look at the water, it's clean. That's the only place the water is clean, man, the whole of London. The other river, man, is dirty. This one is clean. Yeah, again. Because these ones here, man, they don't joke with this other place, man. This place make them billions, man, not even millions. Multiple billions. That's the DLR train, man. It's coming. Watch. I'm right. No, am I? Yeah, I'm right underneath it. Watch. There's gonna be this one or that one. Can you hear it? I think it's gonna be on this one. This one or that one? Oh no, that one. The one I'm standing right underneath it. That's why I cannot see it. Oh, it's gone. Restaurants, innit? So somebody decided to come and hide his yacht down here. It's an old-fashioned boat, you know. It's a party boat, you know. And this is the other side of the river. All these things are man-made ones, you know. The DLR, you know, that's the point, you know, they branch. Others they go to Stratford, others they go to Lewis now. Alright.
It was in the back on the right.
That's where I got all the restaurants around here. I think there are a couple of nightclubs around here, you know. Because the other day, you know, I met a couple of boys. They're telling me, yo, you coming in? I'm like, what's in there? I say, yeah, nightclub. I say, you saw? I say, yeah. I think it was around this area, you know, a long time ago. But me, I hardly come to this area, you know. I go central, you know. They play music, you know.
हमेशा ज्यादा ही सोचते हो और बोल भी देते हो पेशेंट को किधर आओ नहीं तो सबको सोचना पड़ता है
तो अच्छी बात है सोचो तो सब सोचे
They put something on top of the head.